Well, hey there, guys. Doing an unboxing. I got a cool thing from a friend called a tactical scarf, and I know the inventor and Kickstarter uh, entrepreneur gentleman that Bo gave this to me, and I appreciate it. And so we're gonna unbox it and check it out to see uh, what I think, and see what you all think. It's pretty cool packaging. Looks like I'm gonna open a bag of chips. Um, we'll check it out. Oh, nice! It has a little zip tie or seal. Doesn't what? Smells good. Oh, has a freshness thing. Little sample cloth. Nice little bag to keep it in. Waterproof, probably. Oh, it's nice. Oh, it's bigger than I thought it would be. Nice, nice. Feels soft, cozy. I don't really use scarves. I'm not a scarf guy, but maybe now I am. All right. And I could probably throw this in the car and use it as a face mask. I don't know. You know, it could. I could use it as that. Maybe this is what I'll start using as my mask for going around. And then I can just pull it down like that. Be cool with it. We'll see how I feel about it. But it's nice. Has a nice little logo. Um, nice sewing on it. It's see through, but maybe we'll do some tests on it to see how it holds up to a knife or something. I got a few ideas, but this is nice. You'll have to check out. It has instructions on how to wash it, what it's good for, some ideas on the back. It was a Kickstarter, so I'm sure it will be either available on Kickstarter still or Amazon, probably where he's going to put it. But let's try and see some experiments. But you'll see. Do a little review of my own. All right.